The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, taksaw point rimlak. Just wow.
Ka Orange Automobile Shillong kapadai ka authorized dealer jong ka Mahindra Powerol ha ka Pratrik Unailar Arja Punrio. Kala palong ya ka customer meet hanong ba Shillong ban penklan ya ka jadai bat ki nong thiet ki paralok ha ki kam khayi. Ha kani ka jialang. La peni ya ki jingyo jong ka Mahindra Powerol ha ka baidai bat ki diesel generator ki baduna ka jingbam umpanyang. Ka jingtray ka basengan. Ka jingpenduna ya ki jinglot bat ki wei ki wikimat. Ka program ka kantobru ye ki jing pensai padba shapang ki mar bat ki jia karen halor ki jing don kam ki badang kala ha ka baidai bat ka power backup na ka benta ki shilam sumar ha ka kot ka khya hospitality telecom infrastructure ki jaka khai bat ki karkhana u senior vice president u Sanjay Jain ula long ukongsan ha kani jelang ringkat ka jedon lang ki riu pau khmat ki bakantop ya Usham Agarwal utrai ka Joy Shri Powerol uba Shempang Lingdo utrai ka Orange Automobile u Akhilesh Katian regional sales manager East u Shankar Ghosal ubadai regional service manager East u Sovik Paul ubadai u HKVA sales manager East u Saurav Kumar Shrivastava ubadai area sales manager u Jitendra Kumar u senior territory sales manager but u Atanu Jana u balong u senior territory service manager ka company kala penpau bakane ka customer meet kala ailat ya ka company ban yo ya ki jinga jingmod na ki nong thiet ban sauthu ya ki jingdon kam ki badang mi thamai bat ban penklan ya ka jinge treilang ha padang ka company bat ki nong thiet na ki jalla ka than sha te lamingi ha kani ka sila samru ya ki shabi jongki genset shaki customer ki bala thiet ya ki da utrai ka Orange Automobile uba Shempang Lingdo but u senior vice president u Sanjay Jain.
Distinguished guests, valued partners and friends, a very good evening to you all. At the outset, I would like to extend my warmest welcome to our esteemed customers. You are the foundation of our business, and your presence here today means the world to us. The Powerol Synergy Forum is a celebration of our long-standing trust, shared growth, and enduring relationship. Tonight provides us a wonderful opportunity to connect and exchange insights and strengthen the bond we share. I take immense pleasure in extending a special welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Jain, Senior Vice President, Mahindra Powerol. Sir, welcome to this beautiful city of Shillong. Your presence here today is a great honor and significantly boosts the morale of our entire team. We are equally delighted to welcome Mr. Shyam Agarwal, Managing Director of Joy Shri Powerol, who continues to be our constant guiding star and pillar of support. You have been always supporting us. We have just chat just now and discussed the kind of support that you have given us. It's really tremendous. While time constraints limits me from mentioning everyone by name, I extend a heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries and senior leadership, including Mr. Tanuj Agarwal, who is also present here with us, joining us from the Mahindra Powerol team. With Mahindra Powerol for the last 15 years. And in these 15 years, there have been ups and downs. There have been difficulties, and there have been COVID during that time. But the association with Mahindra Powerol is something very special. We have learned from each other, and we have really made our commitment to our dear customers with our on-time service, reliable service, and our prompt after-sales support to our customer. Though we have many other brands associated with, with construction equipments, in automobiles, and in hospitality and many other businesses. But the association with Mahindra Powerol is something very, very special to Orange Automobile. As our leadership team share key updates and insights, I invite you all, my dear friends, our valued customers, to sit back and relax, to connect and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you all for joining us, and I wish you a memorable and a pleasant evening. Thank you once again.
And yes, on my behalf also, I would like to welcome Sir to our beautiful city of Shillong. I hope that you and your family enjoy this beautiful place of ours. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Subhawat lang.
Very important. Please come. Please. Join us.
First of all, I would like to thank to Master Champang Lundo and Master Badamay, along with their team and all the members and staff of Mahindra for giving us this opportunity to be here. We are very satisfied with the performance and reliability of the Mahindra genset installed at the Metropolis Academy and 6 MLP. We have two gensets, one 125 kVA and another one 15 kVA. And both are performing very well and providing reliability. The service support is also excellent with quick response, timely maintenance and professional technician assistance. I would like also to especially appreciate Master Damay. They are very helpful and supportive. Whenever we need their assistance, they are always ready to respond at any time. Their commitment and support have been very valuable to us. We truly appreciate the quality of the Mahindra products and the excellent service and support provided by their team. Thanks you very much.
Experience with Mahindra overall. Since about 10 years ago, I started taking Mahindra DGs through Bat Simpang's help and that. With good customer backup, I know we had any problem at all. We're very satisfied. I wish Orange Power Solution and Mahindra for all great success.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Sanjay Jain is Mr. Champang Lindo. Congratulations. Mr. Igor Lang, and thank you for choosing Mahindra Powerol. Congratulations, Mr. Madhpam Vakandri, and thank you for that. Congratulations, Mr. Fernando, and thank you for choosing Mahindra Powerol.
Hi, good evening. My name is Sanjay Jain. I represent Mahindra Power-On. I am the business head and senior vice president in Mahindra Power-On. And I head this business. I am very happy to be here in Meghalaya, in Shillong especially. This is my first visit, but I am delighted to see your wonderful city. We are here today to organize a customer meet for our all esteemed customers. The basic purpose of this meet to interact with our customers, to know about them regarding our product, and to give some of the information regarding our products and new technologies. In Mahindra Power-On, we are the leading company in India. We are the #1 genset manufacturer in the country, and we provide the latest technology to our customers. And through these customer meets, we normally try to give them the information, interact with them face to face, and get the information from them about the product, and also give them some of the technical information. And I am very happy that today here in Shillong, a lot of customers, they joined our customer meet. We had a very good interaction, and there was a very good conversation regarding the technology, product, and our services. So it's a wonderful journey, and we are now getting a very good market share in Shillong, and we are the leading company. So it is our responsibility to meet and interact with our customers, and this is what the purpose of this customer meet.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jala ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya benta lang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher dena kata ka daw kini artli ki jala menta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan